Fastest way to get a green card in 2025. Are you eligible? Events, fast-paced clips of people traveling, professionals working and happy families settling in the US. And do you dream of moving to the US but feel overwhelmed by the visa process? What if we told you there's a faster way to get your US visa in 2025? Stay tuned because this could be your ticket to success. Main content. Fastest way to get a US visa. What is the fastest way? The EB1 visa, the top choice for highly skilled professionals, business leaders, researchers and artists. No need for employer sponsorship, faster processing compared to other work visas. Direct path to a US green card. Are you eligible? If you are a highly skilled professional in science, business, arts or athletics, executive or manager of a multinational company, researcher or professor with significant contributions. If this sounds like you, you might qualify for the EB1 visa. By EB1 Next Level. We analyze your profile and eligibility. We help you build a strong case to prove your qualifications. Top immigration attorneys for a hassle-free process. Why choose us? Success in helping professionals secure their visas. Expert guidance to fast-track your application. Transparent and personalized service. Getting a US visa is getting more competitive every year. Don't wait until it's too late. Book a free eligibility consultation today. Spots are limited, and 2025 is the year to make your American dream a reality. Don't miss out.